It's summertime, and that means a lot of outside time, which can lead to some pretty sticky, messy, and sometimes itchy situations. So these simple life hacks will keep you living smart all summer long. First, those mosquitoes can be really annoying, but you can use dryer sheets to stop the bugs. You see, dryer sheets actually mask the human scent that attracts mosquitoes in the first place. So just put dryer sheets in a cup or decorative flower pot outside, and you'll be bug-free. Now, if you do get bit, you can stop the itch by applying toothpaste. Yeah, toothpaste really helps ease the itch. Just dab a little on the bite and instant relief. Okay, if you're like me, summer is the time for berry picking. And aside from leaving with a bushel of berries, you'll probably also leave with berry-stained fingers. And since soap and water doesn't always do the trick to get rid of the stain, try washing your hands with lemon juice instead. Then wait a few minutes, rinse with warm water, and you've got stain-free fingers. So go ahead, get messy. Enjoy eating a few berries as you go. And speaking of messy, the summertime popsicle treat can leave your tots fingers stained too. You can use a cupcake wrapper to keep the mess away. Just cut a slit in the bottom and put your popsicle stick through the slit. It keeps that drippy, sticky mess off their fingers and probably a few t-shirts too. Now we all know one of the worst parts of summer is getting a sunburn. So a remedy to find relief fast is to put some aloe vera gel into an ice cube tray and freeze it. And when you need it, gently rub the cube on your burnt skin. The cold is soothing on the burn, and the aloe vera will help the healing process and prevent peeling. Just be sure to freeze them ahead of time, just in case you get a little overexposed. And finally, one of the best things about summer is the cookout. And of course the grill is going to get dirty, but no worries, aluminum foil can help. Just lay a sheet of aluminum foil over the grates while the coals are still hot and close the lid. And the next time you grill, crumple up the aluminum foil and rub off the burnt bits. It's clean and you're ready for the next barbecue. I love that. And there you have it, a few great creative life hacks to help you enjoy every second of the summer.